Yeah, my viewers and sub. Right now I'm going to talk about a youth who go by the name of Shuttlebus. You understand? Most of you probably familiar with him and thing. You understand? Big footballer at Tivoli Garden, selector, same way, and you don't know. He may even go by the name, most of you probably know him by the name of Jonah McGregor. You understand? That's him correct name. You get what I say? And the DJ or footballer, well, you don't know him a keep a virtual show up on him live and thing. You don't know a pandemic, lot of people can't go out, we can't go party, you understand? So people mostly use the social media, understand, and do them live and promote them thing and keep them little party virtual and thing on them phone. So and you get what I say? So the youth are doing thing, you understand, while him do him thing, DJ as usual, him go read a comment where a fan comment and say like big up, a female fan comment and say big up good cocky eye doing. You get what I say? And him now read it in the same context, you understand, and it sound away. You see what I say? Most people just splice out that part and run with it. You get what I say? You know people stay. People are going to do what them do. You get what I say? People just go around and twist things to make things look bad or get funny or if make themselves be seen or get more likes, more views and you know. But the youth just hold it. You understand? I read up a thing in the Star where him do a little small interview and thing and him explain himself, you understand? And it's not hard to understand, you get what I say? It's just a little misunderstanding based on what I say with the audience, with majority of people them where have the video circulate, you understand? I know nothing bad. You saw me say him clear up him thing. Him even say him now feel no way about it. You understand? It make him more popular, more people recognize him and thing. Well, that's a good thing. You understand? So people, that's how it is. Some people make mistake. You understand? And we all have to accept that nobody is perfect at the same time. You understand? Good while now me are taking the whole thing. I go on with a bag of thing. Even Alkaline post a video. Check it out. And people, the thing is, you know, Alkaline post that little video clip on him Instagram story, you understand? So you know, even the man himself same way big up the youth, you get what I say? Because most people understand, you see what I deal with. Why some of them people I could not pass around, them have to cut out the negativity part and turn it for them way. You understand? Why? You understand? So well, him get a big backlash on the social media and I love how him just calm and him hold it, you understand? You don't know if you know you do the right thing, you say the right thing, you don't do nothing out of the way. You see what I say, you don't have nothing to worry about. You get what I say. And I really want to big up the youth for go and do him things same way. You understand? Him go and good and thing. You understand? Him have a large audience same way. You get what I say? A whole heap of people up on him live show and thing. You see what I say? Well, if you never check him out, you can go check him out now. You understand? Him name Shuttlebus on Instagram. You see what I say? Yeah man, big selector, you see me? Yeah man, I hate that, yeah.